Jason of Huck Outdoors, and today I wanted to do a little unboxing video for you guys and some first impressions of a new pack I got. I actually ordered this last week and it came today, pretty quick. So let's open it up so you guys can see what it is. Of course it says here, do not use blades to open. Pretty big box, huh? It's gotta be a somewhat big pack. Let's try this, see if it opens. Wow. Okay. Let's show you guys the goods here. You guys ready for this? There it is. New pack. Won't be using it for a while, but new pack. It is a ULA Catalyst. You guys go, and this one is customized, fully customized. It's all X-Pac material. So the back, or the bottom right here where the logo is black X-Pac. I've got a green on here and here, and then the rest is brown. So I'm going to throw in some specs for you guys on what the ULA Catalyst is real quick. So right in front of us here. I've been looking at getting a Catalyst for a little while now. On the High Sierra Trail, when I had my Gregory Optic, which is a great pack in its own right, I wasn't able to put a bigger bear canister in there. And when we got to Outpost Camp, there's Matt and Steve, and they've both had Catalysts, and they both had the bigger bear canisters that fit in there perfect. You can actually fit them sideways, not vertically. And that's what I was looking for in a pack, and also a good winter pack as well. So let me just show you guys a little bit on it real quick again. I've got the green and the coyote brown X-Pac material, and instead of the Roebuck, it's a little bit more robust and also water repellent. The hip belt pockets are also coyote brown, and they've also got the waterproof zippers on there. We got a little bit of accents here, but it's hard to see. But I just went straight black on here with the black X-Pac there. Black X-Pac right there. Let's fill this thing up real quick. I'll just put some pillows in here, and then you guys can see what this looks like completely filled up. Here you go. I just put a pillow in here so you guys could see the size of it. Once again up here, just a little bit more green and brown accents there. I want to go with some earthy tones. Really like it. These pockets here are super deep in here. And of course I got the little cinch cord on here as well, if need be. There's plenty of room in these pockets. Same thing on this side, plenty of room. You can see just from the side view there, lots of room in there. And the other thing I also went with, the new mesh, not the old mesh. The old mesh is actually like a downgrade cost now. But the old mesh you can actually see into, but it's not as stretchy. So this is a little bit stretchier material that you can work with. And I know I'll be doing a couple mods to it, not too much, just down below. Matt and Steve have got a little mod that they do to their ULAs that adds a little bit of room down here to add like a sleeping pad down below. Overall, first impressions, I'm pretty happy with it. And it's ULA, it's made in Utah, sewn in Utah. Very good company. And when I got this pack, I went through Steve K, who runs a backpacking gear flea market on Facebook. And if you guys ever want to get a pack, a customized ULA pack, that's the man to go through. He will sit down with you and go over every little detail. And then once you're done with it, after you go through and put it all together, he'll go back a second, third time, make sure everything's right before sending it out. Because like the colors here, we went with the white mountains, the gray over here for the lettering. I was debating about what to put down here and decided to go with the black. I think I changed this color 2 or 3 times. I went from the green to the brown and then back to the black. But overall, a great pack. And also another thing with the Catalyst here, the hip belt. I went with an extra large. It's removable. It can actually be changed out eventually. So if this belly gets down a little bit, it'll be going to a large. But I can order another one of those eventually down the line. Overall, a great pack, probably one of the best packs you can get out there for hauling some heavier loads or bigger loads for those through hikes like the High Sierra Trail. Say if I do another big hike like that next year for my winter loads, this is going to be it, especially for that bear canister need. And even for overnights out here, just like a 1 or 2 night, it may be big, I can compress this down big time. And this, along with my optic, is going to fit all the needs I have out there on the trail for overnight trips. That is the ULA Catalyst, guys. I'm in love at first sight here. It's a beautiful pack. ULA makes great stuff. Like I said, I was really sold on this pack after seeing Matt and Steve on the High Sierra Trail. And both their packs, they've actually went through, I believe, Steve K as well, and got theirs all customized. Steve has got, and Matt both have the X-Pac material. And the X-Pac material is something you really want on these packs now. It's a great option for you. Back once again. Yeah, if you want a pack, ULA pack, custom ULA pack, go through Steve K. I'll have his contact info down below for you. Well worth it to talk to him. He is a ULA guru. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. I hope you guys like the unboxing and my first impressions on this. If you do, give it a like, give it that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Always appreciate it. Any comments, concerns, leave them below. I always try to respond to all of that. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.